So at the halfway stage, Sargaonkar Sports Club, after having decided to bat first, have been bowled out for 178 runs in 43.5 overs. So overall, it has been a good bowling effort by the Chaugule Warriors. And now Chaugule Warriors will have to chase the 179 run target that Sargaonkar have set. Sargaonkar Sports Club have a pretty good bowling lineup, and it will be very interesting to see how Chaugule Warriors go about their task. I have with me the secretary of Sargaonkar Sports Club, Prabjit Sandhu, and coach Dinesh Rao. Chandorkar Trophy is such a historic tournament, history of over 50 years. I think you have played in it and you have also played in it as players. What are your special memories of this tournament from your playing career?
This tournament has been always been a competitive tournament. Good teams have been coming, and even when we were playing, I'm talking about somewhere 83, 80, 83, 84, 85, those areas. The teams, I'll say that the tournament was more competitive because they used to be two-day tournament, but limited over. And there was a chance for the team, even after going down on the first, to come back. And I remember one instance against Panjim Gymkhana itself. We were playing the finals, and Gymkhana scored 140 odd, and we were shut out for 71. They were leading with 71. And I remember Gymkhana in the evening, they had a big party because they were celebrating. They said, yeah, no way, tomorrow is 45 overs and we get another 100, 150 runs. Lead is very big, it's not easy for us to make it. But we got them out for 71 exacts and the second inning, and we won by 8 wickets.
Okay, and then what was your reply to their party?
No, we won by. Parties are always there. Whenever Salgaonkars win, they are always welcome. They are celebrating, and we always give them a good treat.
And in the finals against Chogles, this was probably around 98. I'm not very sure about the year. We had hardly scored about 120 odd runs, and nobody thought they gave us a chance to win, and we bowled them out below 100. That was a great victory, really. That is the way Salgaonkars always play, always fighting till the last ball.
Sure, it's always nice to share the memories of the past. In fact, when we were playing here, there were nats being organized. There are almost 30 to 40 players daily, and we hardly used to have a chance to even bat or bowl. So, with some kind of influence that we used to talk to our seniors that whether I can bowl, not the day, same day. Okay. And they used to have mercy on us, and they say, okay, we'll give you bowling or batting tomorrow. So the eagerness of playing cricket at a particular time, because we wanted here to be there on the ground at least. And we, after 3 days perhaps of fielding, we could do some kind of bowling or batting.
Which was the first year that you played in the Bandurkar Trophy? Debut kenna khela tumhe?
1979. Yeah.
Against which team?
I don't remember that.
Tenna club ashile ni khubshe.
Club खूपशे आशिल्ले, and most of the clubs were from rural areas. And it was fun actually. म्हणजे एक उमेदशी जाताली की पणजी जिमखानाचेर खेळपाक. That time only the turf was laid. So to play on a turf altogether a new thing for each and every club. But most of the clubs were being played on matting at that time. And slowly then it went to turf, and we continued our turf. Then we had a turf practice wicket also. So all the more enthusiasm was there. And ते वाडत गेलें. म्हणजे अशें की दिसतालें की जिमखाना वॉज नर्सरी ऑफ क्रिकेट, आनी खुबशे क्रिकेटर तयार जिमखानाचेर. म्हणजे नामवंत क्रिकेटर जे आसा, जे गोंयाक खेळ्ळ्या, ते जिमखानाचेर. आनी दुसरो क्लब म्हणजे MCC मडगांव क्रिकेट क्लब, थंय एक तयार जाले. बाकीचे ऑफकोर्स फ्रॉम सम क्लब लायक बिचोलीम क्रिकेट क्लब ऑफ मोंडा, हांगाच्यान सुद्दां क्लब आयला, वास्कोच्यान क्लब आयला, वास्को. तांचे कडेन थंय चिखली MPT ग्रावंड प्रॅक्टीस करताले, आनी अशे प्लेयर येत आसताले. सो देर वॉज फन इन बांदोडकर ट्रॉफी.
Next batsman is Suresh Prabhu Desai. Man of the finals, Kinan.
What are your memories of this wonderful tournament from your playing career?
Like I have played this tournament for quite a long time. Also, I have organized this for quite a long time. But then, if you ask me, this is the oldest tournament of Goa, and it's hats off to Panjim Gymkhana. Whoever comes into the committee, it's immaterial, but they are continuing with the. That is great. And then, if you ask me, this is the place like where all the Goan cricketers have performed and they have reached to that Ranji Trophy or whatever level you can say. So like this is the platform for the Goan cricketers.
What tournament are the it's being played for empty galleries? I mean, there's no cricket loving public coming around. पयलीं अशे लोक भरताले म्हाका सुद्दां याद आसा भुरगेपणान येतालो पळोवपाक. सो लोकांक परत हाडपा खातीर तुमी कितें करूं शकता आतां ह्या टोर्नामेंटा बद्दल?
See, it is now since that GPL has started, and then it is like if you ask me, Bandodkar Trophy is a different altogether a ball game. It is a 45 overs, and GPL, if you ask me, is like IPL Tamasha cricket. 2020. So that's that 2 days yasta. But then Bandodkar Trophy, I am feeling proud as organizers. This is the first time it has happened so. We have not allowed a single outstation player to play in this tournament, and I thank all the franchisees because they agreed upon when I put up a request saying that Baba will play with all locals. So today we can see like Suyesh Prabhudesai, Shanu Antamari and all these youngsters performing here, and end of the day this will benefit them to perform for the Goan team.
Since you are also part of the managing committee of Panjim Gymkhana, kire future plans about the tournament? Do you want to share something?
See, it is what since the GPL has started, there is a problem. Earlier, what used to happen is like the Bandodkar Trophy was being played on club level, like MCC, Panjim Gymkhana, Salgaonkar, Gino, and all these people,
11,
Vasco 11, exactly. All these teams used to participate. But what has happened since the GPL has started, there is an auction, and all the best of the cricketers have been taken by the franchisee. So, like if I invite tomorrow MCC, Gymkhana, and any other club, they don't have players because all the Ranji Trophy players are playing for the franchisee. So now we have got no option left than only to invite the franchisee. So here the problem is like last year we could not have the tournament. The only reason was there was a problem between the franchisee and the GCA, not Panjim Gymkhana, saying that why you are having the Premier League first. But suppose if we get time, and as I have already said, like we want to go, like the 2-day semi-final which used to happen earlier and a 3-day final. So it all depends upon the calendar what the Goa Cricket Association gives us.
With this, we come to the end of the program. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Prudent. See you next week. Goodbye.